Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Mystery Cash. So this is my channel, and this is a brand new channel for how to make money with cryptocurrency or how to make money online. So please give, give me some support. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell. I know that it's have been past maybe 1 week uh, since my last video, but I will try to focus on legit and legit platforms, not on scams. So guys, for today video I have found something amazing. It's the project, it's unbelievable. Just watch this video until the end and uh, judge until when you see the whole video. So for today I have like I said, I will be focused on the legit platform, and I just don't believe there is too many uh, YouTube channels. They represent some project, they give some free sign up bonus, and in the end you will get nothing. But in my projects, maybe some of them will be free, maybe some of them not, but I will be focused on the legit platforms who actually have rating, or they're actually companies, registered companies. So for today I have prepared, I after my research about this platform, I will represent now. This is the platform. So it's not free, guys, but you can earn big here, with, of course, with small amount. The 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 basic deposit, or the minimum deposit here, is just $1 in Tron, in USDT, on Litecoin and Payer, and we will see later what. As you can see, just to be proof, as you can see, I just entered the platform, and the support team actually the support team, as you can see, write me write me uh, and that's a good sign. That's mean that in many platforms uh, like this, you will see support. You go there, there is an email or some Telegram group, and you cannot write them on nothing. You cannot, but not here, guys. As you can see, their support team uh, write me uh, in the beginning, like I entered the site. They write me a message how to help me or guide me if need some help. Just if you want to open account, let's uh and if you have some question, please write to them. As you can see here, uh to make account, you go to member login. And add your password or username, and that's it. You will make account. But just to explain how the platform works, so they just one day online. So the positive thing is that they have amazing support team. I just talked yesterday when I made the first deposit, and I'm not just making I will make just live withdrawal just to show you that this platform actually works. But this platform have big indication that it is legit. check I check on internet. The company really exists, is in the register companies. And as you can see here, with minimum amount from $1 for 24 hours, you have 200%. That's a good, guys. You can invest every day for $1, and after 5 days invest 5 and get 10. But the amazing thing here is, if you deposit $50 for start, after 24 hours you will get 300%, guys. That's not a little. And like I said, I believe in this company, but I'm not sure how long this company will exist. So I will put my Telegram group in the description, also the link from the platform, and there I will write, because I will investing in this company uh, every day. And if I have some problem, I will write there. I will write there I have problem or not, or my payment, I received the payment or not. So also you can check in the comments. Maybe tomorrow uh, I will make another video for this with a big amount. Today I just enter $5, I get my 10. And the amazing thing, my plan is to get a 50 and get the 300. If you invest 50, you have $150 just for one day, guys. That's amazing. If you think to invest 100, you have 400%. With just $100, you have $400, and with $300 you have 500%. That's a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. And like I said, the indication that this platform is not a scam, it's very big, because they have amazing support team. If you have problem, just write them, they will solve immediately. Let's go log into my account and see what I have there. So this is my account. Yesterday I invested $5. I invested 5, and now I have 10 on my balance. My deposit list, as you can see here, like I said, guys, here you can start with $1. It's not much, guys. As you can see, deposited 5, profit today $10. Just when you make the deposit, be specific, guys. Be specific, because as you can see, for $1, for example, you go to click this button here, and after that you go and add the correct amount, $1. and you can invest from Tron, with Tron, you with USDT, BNB Smart Chain, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, with Pair, Perfect Money. And after you add the amount, when you invest, be specific in the wallet, just to show what I mean. Because if you write $5, if you send them 5 and 20 cents, they will count just the 5. Let's go to my what I mean cent. For example, $5, that's 60, 100 TRX. It's not. Be specific, guys. 3 cents, it's not more, but be specific in the amount, because if you add more, they will count just the 5. And that's it, guys. Let's make a live withdraw just to see this platform works or not. Let's go to my account. So my expectation from this platform is very big, so I recommend to everyone. Like I said, I will write in the comments in my Telegram group. If you want to join. I will write there every day I receive my payment or not. And guys, let's go and withdraw, and just to see how fast they are, or ask for withdraw. Let's wait, guys. As I can see, I didn't add my address to withdraw. Just when you go to withdraw and set, as you can see, not set, go to, just click on it and set your address, what you want to withdraw your money. As you can see, I have $10. Let's request my comment to see. You are the best. The best. You select the currency you want to withdraw. You can withdraw, because I deposited in Tron. Maybe because I have just the Tron address, they give me the Tron. But never mind, in Tron. Let's request and see how much I will wait to my withdraw to be confirmed to receive. Pending withdraw $10. As you can see, I will delete all the notifications and refresh the page. Let's see how much I will wait to withdraw my money from here. Let's go to my account. My account balance now is 0. Like I said, my plan, I will continue investing in this. Now I will invest 10, maybe 20. If and after that I will try to to catch the 300 or 400, maybe 500%. And that's it, guys. So if you want to start here, like I said, you can start with just $1. That's not a lot. Let's wait. So like I said, guys, I turn off I uh, turn off all notification just to see that the payment is received. As you can see, I received my payment. I just wait 5 minutes, but they pay. So this is a 100% legit platform. So please, guys, join me also on my Telegram group. I will invest, and I will invest until the end. Maybe I will reach the 500%. My goal is 500% to double. And if you want to join. If you want to ask me something in the group, ask me. I will answer you. So that's it, guys. If you uh, that's it for now. I will make a new video about this platform, and please subscribe to the channel, give support, and turn notification bell, and like if you want. So bye, guys, and see ya tomorrow.